Back on market, move-in ready villa in the sprawling 55+ Timber Oaks community. This villa features a nice split floor plan with 2 full baths. The large master bedroom with a walk-in closet and a private walk slider to Lanai. The guest bedroom is on the opposite side of the villa with a private hall bath with shower/tub. This spacious eat-in kitchen has an open view to the living dining room. The large lanai in the back has an open view and is a great place to relax or just visit with friends or family. Whether this is your full-time residence or even your part-time residence, Timber Oaks offers a tremendous amount of activities to keep you busy, such as classes and social activities, tennis, shuffleboard, bocce ball, swimming pools with heated spa. There is also a gorgeous clubhouse with a well-stocked library room, computer room, sewing room, billiard room, card room, ballroom and meeting area, all next to their open pool and very large lake that gives off such a tranquil feeling. What a nice, comfortable, serene